Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account that controls your Xbox profile. This is essential because the email change happens at the account level. Once signed in, make sure you can receive messages at the current address so verification codes arrive. If you're on a console, open Settings account. On a browser, go to Account. Microsoft.com. Now locate the profile or your info area to begin the email change flow, and choose Add or Manage how people sign in. Next, add the new email as an alias under your info account aliases. You do this so Xbox recognizes the address. Once added, Microsoft will send a verification code. Enter that code to confirm ownership. After verification, set the new alias as your primary sign-in. This is the step that actually changes which email your Xbox uses. Make sure you do not delete the old alias until the new one is primary and fully verified to avoid sign-in issues. Finally, sign out of your Xbox and sign back in with the new primary email to sync changes. This ensures gamertag, subscriptions, and progress stay linked. If you hit problems, first confirm the alias list and verification status in account. Microsoft.com and review two-step verification settings. Codes often block the switch. If you still can't sign in, use account recovery tools or contact Microsoft support, but make sure you've tried alias verification and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.